Kia ora te cuzzies, it's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the Marakai, and I'm off to find my favouriteest food ever, hua whenua, vegetables. Whai mai? Whoa, check out how huge this place is. There's heaps of vegetables here. Ngāti Whātua made this place for all the community to share. They've got so much kai here. They've got watermelons, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and so much more.
It's always really important to give appreciation and thanks for the kai we take. Ngā mihi nui mo e nei hua. Thank you.
What's your name? Your name's Buzz too. Me too. Awesome. Look what I found. It's rainbow silver beet. Let's take some, eh? Tahi. Rua. And toru. Perfect. Come on. Ah, this looks a little bit different to normal lettuce, so we're gonna call it red fancy lettuce. This stuff's growing a bit tall, but we don't want any to go to waste. Let's pick some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What next? Whoa! Check these out. I think they have a special name. Rainbow yellow bean. No, green beans. Ooh, let's get some green beans. Check out the size of that one, e te whānau. Tahi, rua, toru, and 4 beans. Cheers. Walking in the mara, whoa, whoa. Hey. Whoa, kia ora mai cuz. Hey, I'm Buzz the Cuz. How are you doing? Oh yeah, cool. Today I'm in the Marakai getting some kai. I've got rainbow spinach, I've got green beans, and I've got fancy red lettuce. Now, the last thing I'm looking for is kumara. Oh, kumara is my favourite. Hey, are you able to point me in the right direction? Okay. Okay. Somewhere that way? Ah, yeah. I see where you're pointing. Kia ora, my bro. Have a good day. I think I found the kumara. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's find the kumara. Oh, check that out. What a beautiful kumara. Cool. What an amazing time I've had in the Marakai today. I can't wait to share this kai with Tama. Ka kite anō.